Okay, so I'm going to try and make a screencast of how to make a screencast, which has some interesting challenges because the options don't show up when you click on them when you're already in a screencast. So what I did is I took a screenshot of my screen before I started the screencast and as I was going. So once you download the screencast, really you just need to go to um, Google, type in screencast in the search bar, and these options will come up for Screencast-O-Matic, which is the program that I use. Um, Once you download and install the software, you're going to see in your Google browser a little blue dot circled by a large blue circle. That's going to be where you click, and then once you do, you can click Run the Recorder, and then these options will show up in the corner here, where you can decide what to record, either just the screen, the webcam, or both, and then toggle. Right now, I'm just in the screen setting, and then you press record. It says 3, 2, 1, and it starts recording whatever you do. When you're done with that, this record button turns into a pause, and you can go ahead and pause that at that time. So here's how you make a screencast. Save it, and then you can upload it to whatever you're using to play it back. So hopefully this was helpful, and just a little over a minute for you guys to create your first screencast.